What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, that was so annoying. How are you guys doing? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to, ooh, look at these nails, to makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I like this tone.
So, today's video is going to be a product review of the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Multi-Use Concealer. This is a new concealer from L'Oreal. I mean, I love their True Match foundation. Like, if you watched my Holy Grail drugstore edition, I love these. I saw this and I was like, I was intrigued by the tip. Oh my god, that sounded horrible. I was intrigued by the applicator of the concealer because it is very similar to the new Charlotte Tilbury concealer. So I'm like, you know what? I want to try this. If you would if you would like to see how this performs and what it claims to do, keep on watching. And if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Right there. Or it's like right there. Alright guys, let's get into the review. This, it said like at Target or Walgreens or wherever, it says it's $12.99. And the color I got is Fair or Pale N12. So it does have like the neutral tone, warm tone, just like the foundation does. But when I realized how much I paid for it, I was like, that is so expensive. And it looks like there's hardly anything in there. And one thing that I don't like about concealers with this type of tip is it seems like you're never able to get all of the product out of the container. And I was like, $12.99 for this much. So it is 0.05 ounces. Now, so I looked up the size of the original True Match concealer and it is 0.17 ounces. So it's 3 times the amount of product compared to this one, and it's cheaper. So this better be worth $12.99. True Match Super Blendable Multi-Use Concealer. New True Match Concealer's medium coverage formula is designed to work with skin to conceal and correct the under eye area and blur imperfections. The soft tip cushion applicator and super blendable formula provide a smooth and precise application for a flawless effect. So there are 14 shades from light to dark and from warm, neutral, and cool. Okay. So let's get into the demo. I already have my foundation on, my primer and foundation. I'm wearing the MILANI Conceal and Perfect foundation in Ivory. So this is the color Fair N12 Pale, because this might take a minute, this tiny bit of product to get to the top. So here we go. As far as color, I'm not hating it. Wish it was a tad bit lighter, but I'm not hating it. I do like how the cushion applies It's a lot smoother than like a doe foot. Yeah, I wish it was a little lighter, but that's all right. It is very, it's not like thick. So this side, this is good for, oh, it's starting to burn. Hold on, let me hurry up. Oh my God. What the fuck? Ow. Oh my God, that hurts so much. I am like not sensitive to things. I have never had a bad reaction like or anything to a makeup product. Okay, it feels a little bit better blended out. Oh, sorry, I was so distracted by that I wasn't even paying attention to what it looked like. So, wow, it actually gives a lot more coverage than I was expecting. It said medium coverage, so I wasn't expecting much. But, wow. I do like the, oh my gosh, I can't even think right now. That burned so bad. So it definitely gives like a satin finish, and it looks very skin-like. It looks very natural. And I do think it brightens too. So it did a fairly good job of covering up my acne. I mean, you can still see it, but I'm gonna set it with some powder and we're gonna be covering her up. Don't you worry. So let me do that now. Oh, it still kind of burns though. I don't know if that much pain is worth medium coverage. I mean, I'm only willing to suffer through pain for full coverage concealers. Right under here felt like it was on fire. Here's what it looks like with powder on. I mean, it did a good job. It really did. It did just as good a job as, you know, some of my high-end concealers. It blended out nicely, wasn't too thin, wasn't too thick. It was very nice consistency. I liked the applicator, but that burning, oh my God. I have never, ever had any sort of reaction to any sort of skincare or makeup product, ever, until now. Like, that was literally so painful. I thought I was gonna have to wipe the concealer off, and like I'm gonna go wash my face off like right now because I can still feel it burning some, but I need to get it off my face. For $12.99 for such a small amount, I mean, you might not have the same reaction I had. Hopefully you don't. I don't want anyone to have to experience that. I don't know if I would spend $13 to go through this again. I'm like scared to try it again because of how painful that was. So I don't know if I'll keep it or not. Let me know if you have tried it and if anyone experienced the same thing. But yeah, I need to go wash my face pronto. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!